Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So the hair that I am working with today was sent to me from WKGIRLS Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this hair. They sent me out their deep wave texture. I believe it's their Brazilian deep wave, and I have 4 bundles and a frontal. I have 2 30s, 2 32s for my bundles, and then a 22-inch frontal. Anyone that's interested in this hair, all of the links and specs will be down below in the description box, and they do also have some promotion codes linked as well, so that you can receive a discount on your next purchase with this company. Alright y'all, so I did want to mention at the beginning right here, the frontal, I'm noticing that the frontal is sitting like on the top of my forehead. Y'all know I got a smaller forehead and I have a lower hairline, so it made me very sad that I had to cut away my scalpiness. Do y'all see that scalpiness right there? I was planning on laying the heck out of this frontal, but I had to cut away the middle portion, and I tried to go in off camera and pluck some of that middle portion to give me that scalp appearance, or you know, like the nice fine gradual type hairline again. But in the middle, the knots and the hair is super thick, like they make their knots triple knotted or something like that, so it was hard to pluck the hairs in the middle. So I just said, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna just make it work as best as I can. Okay, y'all, so right here I had pretty much finished my install, but then I just wasn't feeling the middle part. I don't know, like it was just in my face a little too much, and I was heading out that day and I didn't want my hair to be in my face. So I was like, okay, well, let me try a ponytail. And it came out cute, but then I was like, I don't know. Like, it's cute. But then I said, okay, you know what? Let me try to do maybe a flip over style. Okay, so then I did the flip over and I was like, okay, it's cute, but it still wasn't giving me what I needed. I wasn't feeling it too much. So then I just went ahead and put a part in it, and that was it. That's the one I chose. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments down below which hairstyle you would have chose. If I knew how to cornrow, which I'm learning that right now, I would have probably put me some braids in it so it could have been out of my face. But anyway, y'all, let me know which style you prefer. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is West Kiss Hair Brazilian Deep Wave. All of the links is down below. And yeah, again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. I love y'all so much. Bye.